rain. It's kind of cold. Downshift. Shift can. Accelerate. Shifter.
Ciao. Bon weekend.
See you. So, hockey went good this morning. My shoulder didn't hurt one bit. Now it's time to get back in shape and lose my belly. Because I know some of you, well actually there's a couple of you that sent me emails saying, yo bro, you gotta hit that gym. Yeah, I know. I've gained some weight since 2012. Well, that's I'd say like 75% because of enterprise. It's because it's like you're not moving much, it's not a physical job, you're not doing shit. And I wasn't really forcing it at the gym, like, cause I've been going to the gym constantly. So I'm still strong, but like I'm not lean, you know what I mean? I'm just heavy. So I gotta lose that belly, and I'm quitting energy drinks. I'm trying this shit. It has no B12 because there's vitamin B12. That's what pretty much makes you wake up with the energy drinks. It's if you read it on Wikipedia and stuff, it's like energizes your brain or whatever. Anyways. Too much, and already in the like Monster cans, Rockstar cans, it's got like 600 to 650%. That's what's written on the can. 660% vitamin B12. And I read like over taking vitamin B12, one of the side effects would be like numbness in hands and like arms and stuff. And yeah, I was wondering why I always had these numb hands and numb arms. I couldn't really like grip anything, so it was pretty much because of that. Because I've been really reducing it, and like, I mean, I could probably take like once in a while there. I'm not quitting because I mean, sometimes you really need a boost. But yeah, definitely the reason why my hands were numb. I mean, it's like the worst feeling ever. Like you go to grab something and like just numb. Can't like feel it. Anyways, so I'm supposed to buy a ECU today from GS, AEM EMS-4 for the S14, and I got a little surprise. Well, not surprise. It's a little thing I'm probably gonna do, and I was talking to Ryan about it, and I think it's a fucking good idea. Is I'll run the S14 and the Drift Evo on the AEM EMS-4. Basically, I'll just buy another patch harness, splice it into the harness for the Drift Evo, and then I'll have two tunes on my computer, and I'll intertwine them. So when I'm in the S14, I put the AEM, well, I'll just call it the EMS-4. It's so easy to say instead of AEM. The EMS-4 and the S14, load up the tune and go drive. And when I want to go drive the Drift Evo, then I just put the ECU in, plug up my computer and swap the tune. Just because like I really want to run like the EMS-4. I'll eventually buy a second one just to put in the Evo just for practicality, or maybe I'll even get like the Infinity or whatever. We'll see. So my girlfriend's getting, and I swear after this I'm gonna go on a diet. But that's too good, right? Yeah, I know. This is probably one of the nicest spots that I like on the drive to my girlfriend's house. It really doesn't look like this is a drop, but I'm dropping like good elevation here. Anyways, I always come here when I pick up a new car, and I pass by my girlfriend's house. Often I'm borrowing my girlfriend's brother's pickup truck. place only open in the summer. It's a good good place to eat. In the summer here, there's like billions of bikes. It's like a path that, like, because we're so far away from everything. That's the Hydro-Quebec freaking dam. Anyways, I go in that parking lot right there, and it takes like amazing pictures. There's also another spot I like a lot, just at the end of this curvy road here. So this is the engine out of the drift car. Basically, there's a wiring loom that goes all underneath the intake. I just got that out. The injector harness, the starter, which we're not going to use. I'm going to take that, just keep the wires. Basically, I got to take that off this engine, complete, all underneath the intake. See this little box here? Yeah, that's where everything is. Basically, everything unclips, and it will pull out, and then we put it into the new fuse box here, or the ECU box. ECU plugs in these couple wires here, pluck. And then we stick in the new ECU. And then we're good. We're good. He starts a new job on Monday. Go buy a car from Ryan.
I won't fuck you, I promise. I'm serious. Why are you smiling?
I'm super smiling, and like he's keeping a straight face, which means he's not lying. So yeah, a couple things left to do. We might have to swap out the coil packs, which means swapping out the valve cover. Check this out. This is the setup for the coil packs. These are the new coil packs off that newer engine. See how they're different? They even sit differently. Like this one bolts in 2 bolts.
So
this one doesn't even bolt in.
Just I'm getting a set of 2J pistons and rods for $100.
Okay. On the road again. Ryan's gone to Ottawa to pick up his girlfriend because she's going to like a drinking party or something like that with her friends. So it's so blurry. Jeez. Anyways, she's going to party drinking, so Ryan's gonna go pick her up, so she doesn't have to drive. And I'm going to see GS anyways, so I picked up the EMS-4 ECU. She's gonna go in the S14. We're gonna fucking force this bitch to fucking run. What else? Basically, that's pretty much it. Yeah, well, the S14, and we're also gonna be running 2 tunes. One in the S14, one in the Evo, the drift one. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna buy a second patch harness with relays and everything from AEM and run that in the drift Evo. And whenever I want to go drifting with the Evo, I'll just put the AEM ECU, load up the tune, and boom, we're ready to go. Ready to rock and roll, motherfucker. So, I just got the AEM EMS-4. I'm on my girlfriend's right now. I just came to say hi and show her the AM. So yeah, son of a bitch. EMS-4, it's gonna be sick. Light blinded. Wow. Ryan's fucking skills. You guys want some Gatorade? There's no Gatorade. Well, actually, yeah, there's Gatorade in here. Skills. Nothing. Ryan's learning how to be a stripper. Right? That's the stripper pole? It's a new thing. It's a stripper chords now. I don't get tired. I got 6 jobs. I don't get tired. I got 6 jobs, motherfucker. Like the Chewbacca look. Yo, Ryan, you know what I'm driving? Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins diesel. The same one your brother rented, and it's the same one GS rented for the drift car Miata. I can't believe we still got this fucking pickup. It's dirty as fuck though. Look at that. Love this thing. GS, they finally sold the Dodge Cummins. It's sold. Vendu. It's got damages on it too. Ah ben tabarnak, side swipe code, yes. Oh, that's a sad face right there. Oh, and puck. No puck. Let's put it on. Another side swipe. Bye bye Dodge Cummins. On va falloir le réparer, hein. Yo! Boom! I'll probably get Ryan and Steven, whatever, to say like, congratulations on reaching 300. Wow. This thing's due for oil change now. Damn it!
No, no, no.